Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel and this Center Parcs packing video all about what to pack for your baby if you are going to Center Parcs, but it could actually be used for any holiday. It's probably a bit of an overpack if you were using it for some holidays, but to be honest, you have to take everything when you're packing for a baby. So I am going to show you what I packed for our now 9-month-old baby Rupert.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away.
So I know that this looks like quite a lot, but that is because you have to pack a lot to go to Center Parcs. So I'm just going to go through everything that we've packed and tell you a little bit about where we've packed it. I have got Rupert sitting down here on the floor, so you might be able to hear him throughout the video. So we'll start off down here. I've just packed some toys. This is a really great toy to have. My dad bought this for us. Unfortunately, it's been trodden on, so it's got a bit of dented there. But this is a really great distraction toy. You wind it up and it plays music and rolls along a bit like a video. Probably slightly better, or makes me feel slightly better than him watching songs on my phone, although to tell you the truth, that is what he's doing now. We also just have a few little rattles just because these are quick and small to pack, and then a couple of books. I've talked about these books before. Everybody knows these ones, don't they? They're brilliant for babies, but these ones are fantastic because they have flaps in, which babies love, especially when they're around their 8-9 month mark. But the flaps are made of felt, so they can't rip them, which is great. And then the last page has a mirror in it as well, which is always fun. So we have those. And then just before I get onto the clothes that we've packed, I have packed some food for him. Now, of course, because we're going to Center Parcs, we're in self-catering, so we will be packing some of our own food as well. And Rupert generally does baby-led weaning, so he will just eat whatever we're eating. But I am not adverse to pouches for when you are on the go and you just need something quick. Now, Rupert doesn't generally have formula because I breastfeed, but Lawrence sometimes gives him a bottle in the morning, which is why we've got that. I've got some shoes for him. I'm not a particular fan of babies wearing shoes before they're walking, or even once they start walking really, although these are soft soled, but more just to keep his feet warm if it's particularly cold and we're out and about. We've got some bibs and some socks. We're there Monday to Friday, so 4 full days. So I've just packed 4 vests. These are long sleeve vests because of course we can wash them while we're there. I've also got 4 sleep suits because that's what he wears at night time. And then for other clothes, I just packed some bottoms, so I'll just quickly show you. These are new, so cute. These look like jeans, but they're actually made of a really thin cotton material, so great for him. A bit creased. And just some jogging bottoms. So again, 4 outfits, just because I don't want to have to worry too much about doing lots of washing when we're there. And then he's got 2 long sleeve tops that are quite thin. These match Finley's, which is super cute. He's also got this one, which is new. As you can see, the tag's still on. In fact, I'll just show you. This one's nice because it's got fleece inside, so it's a little bit warmer. And this one is a little bit thicker as well. This one also matches Finley's. Yes, I am one of those mums. Although I don't match them very often, I have to say. But it's fun when I can. Most of the time Rupert's wearing Finley's cast-offs, so I don't get to match them. We've got some dungarees here. And then I've just packed 1 sunny day outfit. It's not forecast to be really hot and sunny when we're there, so I haven't packed loads. We've just got 1 t-shirt and a pair of shorts, and I can just rewash those if I need to. And then I've got 2 jumpers for him just in case one of them gets dirty, so a hoodie and then just a fleece. Then, just to be on the safe side, because you always have to be with babies, I've packed his sun hat and his winter hat, and then he's just got a raincoat there. I've also packed a couple of muslins. We don't really often use muslins anymore, to be honest, but they're just there just in case. I use this coconut oil for everything. If he's got dry skin, if he's got a nappy rash, it's really, really brilliant. So we've got that. Some of this Snuffle Babe. This is great if he is a little bit chesty, which he is at the moment, to be honest. These I don't particularly rate. I prefer the gel, but you can't get it now in the shops. It's not sold anymore, so we'll just have to live with that. hairbrush, nail clippers, and then one of those snot suckers just in case. Then of course we have nappies. I am just going to take a whole pack of nappies with us just for ease, to be honest, because they're all there together. Nappy sacks, wipes. I've got 2 packs of wipes just because we can then use them for wiping up faces and things when we're out at restaurants. We've got this, which we've never used before, obviously because of the current world situation. I can't really unfold it very easily. I'll pop a picture on the screen. It's one of those floaty rings that your babies sit in. This is going to be Rupert's very first time in a swimming pool, so we'll see how he goes with that. We've got some swim nappies. These are left over from when Finley was a baby. Rupert's swimming costume. It's one of the long rash vest ones. He has worn this before when we've been to the beach. And then just a towel, that's for the pool. They do provide you with towels at Center Parcs for having a bath, but that one's to take to the pool with us. And then talking about having a bath, we've got his bath seat and bath wash there. And then round on this side, we've got my Hummy. I talk about these all the time and absolutely love them. It's a white noise machine. And then I've got 2 sleeping bags. I didn't know how warm it was going to be inside the villa, the lodge. So I've got a thicker 2.5 tog and a 0.5, a thin one. That one's nice because it can go on him when he's in his car seat as well. And then you have to take cot linen. So I've got these for the cot mattress there. I probably will take another dummy. These are my favourite dummies. We never had them with Finley for some reason, but they're amazing. They're glow-in-the-dark ones. So easy to find in the dark. And then we have got the changing bag. I won't go through my changing bag now with you, but if you would like me to do a changing bag video, then do just let me know. I'll be happy to talk to you about what's in my changing bag. So that is pretty much, all that stuff over there to be packed, and that's Finley's pile there. So that is all the stuff that we are taking with us. Hello everybody, sorry about the dramatic change in light. It's just editing me popping on to say that I forgot to mention that if you are going to Center Parcs, that they provide a cot for you, and they also provide a high chair so that you don't need to take those things with you. We are actually going to take our portable high chair with us because it's just useful to be able to take it out and about if we need it, and also it does for Finley as a booster seat up at the table. The other thing that I didn't mention when I showed you everything that we packed that relates to that is bibs for Rupert, and of course we will be packing and taking bibs with us as well. Back to me in the past. If you are interested in following along with our Center Parcs journey, if you are going to Center Parcs anytime soon and you want to find out about what it's like post-lockdown, or if you're just interested in going on holiday with a baby and toddler, then make sure that you are subscribed to my channel because I will be bringing out more content about our Center Parcs trip, including a day in the life vlog when we are there. Thank you very much for watching this video, everybody. Don't forget to like it if you did like it, and I will see you all next time. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking.